Hey friends, as you probably have seen in a couple of our latest videos, we have been shooting from a new spot. Kevin and I have DIY'd a sort of an extension to our kitchen, and we wanted to share a few snapshots and clips of the process with you. It's a project that we had in mind to do for quite a while, as our kitchen is rather small and narrow, and it was quite a challenge to shoot videos in there. So we have used a corner of our dining room and extended the kitchen. That's how the wall looked before. We didn't have much going on. In fact, we did not have a well-planned idea as to how we wanted the space to look like in the end, but we knew we wanted to paint the wall and have some additional shelves put on so that we could create some space for jars and baskets. Overall, we wanted the space to look pretty, but also be functional. We went for a real teal hue. This dramatically changed the whole space. We were already pretty excited and ideas started to flow at this point. After the paint had dried, we decided to place a couple of shelves on the teal wall. We obtained some chipboard planks that were left behind from our neighbors who were moving, so we used them instead of letting them go to waste. We wanted to keep this project within budget for the moment. Later on, we might apply some wood finishes or paint to the planks. We didn't have the brackets, so we bought those. Kevin is marking the position for the bracket screws, and I decided to have a go at drilling the holes. After placing the first shelf, we decided to place a second one on top. We filled the space on the right with a chalkboard. We found an inexpensive foam board with a chalkboard finish at the art store, so it worked perfect. Moving some of our existing storage furniture into that corner allowed us to free some space in the pantry. I took out the jars and placed them on the shelves instead. So now the pantry too is a bit more organized. We also have more space to keep our produce, that is, the ones that don't need to be refrigerated. Before, we did not really have a space for them. We used to keep them on top of the cupboard or on the dining table. We still have a few changes we want to make and maybe add another shelf. So this is an ongoing DIY, but for the moment, that's where we are at. So far, the project has cost us about $36. The jars and baskets are things that we already had. So that's it for the moment. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was a fun and exciting project for us. Cheers and see you soon for a recipe video.